Toe. Let's talk about toe. Tension, overdirection, and elevation. If I'm gonna be cutting a one-length haircut and I don't want tension in her haircut, I would comb this down. Then I would actually release that hair by tapping it, use the large teeth of my comb to not bring tension into the hair. So that would cover tension. If I wanted tension, then I could put a pull to the hair, and that pull could therefore be to the floor. It could also be in a vertical section, diagonal section, or a horizontal section. If you want overdirection, and I take this line and I'm holding it straight out from the head, and we say that we don't want to overdirect the hair, so it would be in line with my comb. If I move this hair towards me, I've now overdirected. If I've moved the hair away from me, I've now overdirected. So I've not maintained the story that I applied in my haircut to get or achieve what I'm after. The principle in all these techniques that we've been discussing is be clear on doing what you say you're gonna do in the haircut to get the results that you want out of a haircut. If I'm gonna elevate the hair, that would mean that I will be taking the hair, if it were down, and even at a finger width, I'm gonna create elevation, as you can see from her profile. In her profile, if I have a finger width, you can see that that hair is lifted off the head. If I take my finger out and I place it, we've released tension, right? So then it's gonna fall at 0 elevation. If I elevate the hair, then the hair is gonna be traveling less a distance to get to an area, so therefore it's gonna be shorter. So understanding what elevation does is the key to a haircut. So you want to understand tension, pulling on the hair or not pulling on the hair, overdirection, moving the hair from left to right or not moving it to left to right, elevation, lifting the hair because you want to create elevation, graduation in your haircut, or you don't. As long as you know why you do what you do and you execute that, you'll be more likely to get what you're going after in your haircuts.